Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to add a Minecraft launcher to Steam. So guys, first thing that you will do in order for you to add game on the Steam is open up the Steam, and then from here on the library, just go to the add a game from the bottom, guys, and then from here click add non-Steam game, and this window will pop up and you should be able to add your Minecraft launcher over here. But guys, if it doesn't work, is for the second solution, what you need to do guys is go to GitHub and find Brian Lima UWP hook, and you can search this on Google as well, and just click the first one guys, and then from here just download this app. Click here on the releases and download everything on here as you can see guys, and then after that guys, open up this application, and then from here this will be their homepage, and you will be able to select a Minecraft T launcher over here and just tick the boxes guys, and from there down below you will have an option to export selected apps to Steam, and then after that guys, once you have exported your T launcher, it will automatically add on your Steam app and you will be able to play it here. And there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!